Unit 6 Mixed Review Number 4. Greenways collected cans for the High Plains Food Bank during November. The model is shaded to show the fraction of cans donated during each week. What fraction of the cans did Greenways donate during these 2 weeks? So we're wanting these 2 weeks together. So we're needing to add these. So there's two different ways to do this. You can do it using the model to get the fraction and then just do the regular work, or you can strictly use the model. So I'm going to start with using the model to just get the fractions. So if we look at this first week, there are 2 shaded, so a 2 is going to go on top. And that is out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. So 2/10 for the first week. And the second week is 2/5. And I'm going to add those together. So first thing, I need a common denominator. Well, a 5 can become a 10 to match the 10 I've already got. So that's easy. Times 2 gets me 4/10. You can go ahead and copy that 2/10 over. 2/10 plus 4/10 is 6/10. Then we have to ask ourselves, can that simplify? And yes, it can. Those can both divide by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And now our final answer is 3/5. The other way to do this problem is to strictly use the model. And so if you look at this model, the reason that I can just use it to get the answer is because the lines line up. These 2 lines right here line up. These 2 line up. And so I can simply copy the other lines from the top model onto the bottom model to make them both exactly the same. So I'm just going to bring those down. And now you can see I've got both models cut into 10 pieces. So I'm going to take these 4 right here from the second week, and I'm going to bring them up, combine them together, add them to the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now to get my answer, I simply count how many I have shaded now, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded out of 10. And again, just like on the other way of doing this, I need to simplify. Divide by 2, and I get 3/5 yet again. So either way, using the model or doing the regular math, you get the same answer.